Hi, it's Amber with today's Take a Breather Tech Minute. Today we're going to focus on Chrome Canvas, which is a great way to have a virtual digital whiteboard for instruction during this Learn from Home time. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to canvas.apps.chrome. Once you're there, you'll have the ability to make a new drawing or one from image. I'm going to show you both quickly. When you go to new drawing, you basically get this giant whiteboard. As part of your whiteboard, you have access to a pencil, a pen, a marker, some chalk, and an eraser. For each of the tools, you're able to change the color as well as choose the size and the opacity of the ink. This is super helpful for making notes. While you use this board, it works just like any other tool in that you can use your mouse to draw, or if you have a touch screen, you can use a stylus or your finger. So now that we've seen how these tools work, I'm going to go back home and I'm going to now choose to do New from Image and show you how this might be helpful in the Learn from Home model. So I have the parts of a plant diagram image that I found. So what can be super helpful here is if I want to do some notations while I'm instructing, I can use this as a tool to draw on the items, and while I'm teaching I can use some tools to emphasize what it is that I'm trying to use to instruct. So this can be a great way whether you're doing live instruction or whether you're recording a screen so that you can cast the screen and create a video later. Super helpful tool, Chrome Canvas. Again, that's at canvas.apps.chrome. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, take some time to take a breather.